Guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be working with. Here I have some cilantro. We won't be using all of this cilantro, maybe like half of this bunch. Here we have 1 jalapeno pepper. You can use serrano peppers if you like, but in this case I'm going to use a jalapeno pepper. Here we have 1 red onion, 2 avocados. Back here I have 7 tomatillos. And really quick, I just want to share a quick tip with you. So when you go to your produce department at your local grocery store, you're going to find your tomatillos like this. They come in a husk. And once they're kind of like ripped open like this, you'll see them. That means they're ready. That means they're ripe. That's what I'm trying to say. And you want to kind of look in there. And they should have like this pretty color, like a pretty lime green color to it. And then right here I have some garlic. We won't be using the whole head. Probably about 1 or 2 cloves. We'll see. And then of course some salt. First thing you want to do is you want to grab a bowl. You're going to grab your tomatillos and you're going to remove the husks along with the stem. So you're just going to turn it. You see? Just like that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and prep all our ingredients. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to give these tomatillos a quick rinse. Probably about 30 seconds or so. The reason for that is because they're very sticky. They have like a sticky substance around it. So we want to get rid of that. So let me go do that really quick. So now we're going to grab our onion and cut it in half. There we go. We're not going to use the whole onion. What you want to do is you want to cut like a really good size to it. Maybe like this. This will work. Cut it in half as well. Let's get our garlic. I think I'll use about 2 of them. Go ahead and cut them up. Now once you got that, you want to grab your pepper, remove the stem, cut it open. If you like yours hot, go ahead and leave the seeds and the stems in there, the seeds and the veins. But I have to consider my husband and the kids, so they don't like stuff too spicy. Now let's go ahead and open up the avocados. This. Make sure they're nice and pretty. Ooh, they're all right. They're all right. They're all right. You want to make sure they're nice and ripe. Let's remove this. Remove the seed. Let's go ahead and remove the seed from the other one. Just like this. Open it up. Oh, that's a pretty one. Remove the seed. Pop your knife. Twist. And let it go. So let's see. Go ahead and take some off. Make sure you've already rinsed your cilantro, guys, okay? Rinse and dry. So here we have our blender. You want to add your tomatillos first to the bottom. Just like that. And then you want to go ahead and add the ingredients into it. Let's add a little bit of liquid to it. That way it has somewhere to go. So keep in mind, I don't have the best blender. So if you have like a really badass blender, then go for it, okay?
There we go.
So let's give it a try. Goodness. Okay. It needs salt. So we're going to go ahead and add some salt to it. And there you go, my friends. This is salsa de guacamole. Now, if you're one that likes it like really creamy, then you can add sour cream to it. But this is how I like it. You see? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys give it a try. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, guys.